Hi, we're Anna and Alex, only about children's accredited practicing dietitians.
Now in this video, we're putting a healthier twist on an old family favourite, and we're going to be making healthier chocolate crackles.
Now to begin, we thought we'd run through some of the ingredients that we're using that make this recipe healthier than the traditional chocolate crackle recipe. So firstly, we've subbed out rice bubbles, which is what the recipe usually calls for, and instead we're using these rice puffs.
Now specifically, we're using these Freedom Foods rice puffs. You could also use brown rice puffs if you can find those at the supermarket. But what we love about these is that they contain 5 times the fibre compared to traditional rice bubbles, and they're also lower in sugar and lower in salt.
Then we've also significantly reduced the amount of added sugars in this recipe. So we are still using some added sugars. We've got about 2 tablespoons of honey here, but a lot of the recipes you'll come across call for half a cup of sugar or even a full cup of sugar. And it doesn't matter whether they call for honey, rice malt syrup, organic syrup, coconut sugar, they're all considered added sugars. And particularly because this is a treat for kids, cutting back on added sugars is really important. Then we're also using this raw cacao powder instead of chocolate, which a lot of recipes call for. Now the benefits of raw cacao powder is that there is no added sugar in here, they're loaded with antioxidants, but it also gives the crackles a lovely chocolate flavour.
Now typically in our recipes, we would always recommend using extra virgin olive oil. But in this recipe, we're using a little bit of coconut oil. And the reason for that is not only to give it a nice coconut flavour, but also the coconut oil is going to help keep these crackles nice and stuck together once we pop them into the fridge.
Now this recipe is a fantastic recipe to get your kids involved in over the festive season. And that's because there's lots of age appropriate tasks for your kids to do.
So whether you get your kids to help you mix all the ingredients together in a bowl, or maybe you'll get them to spoon them into these cute little Christmas muffin cases, there's so many different ways that they can get involved in cooking this recipe.
Out of the fridge and they've already set, which is great, so they're nice and hard.
And now we can enjoy them.